Who is it?
Santa. And he's bringing the toy.
Merry Christmas!
Did you know that's who was coming?
Yes.
You did?
Merry Christmas!
What do you say?
You are on my nice list. I happen to know for a fact that you're on my nice list because I just checked.
Aw.
You're on my nice list, and you look so pretty, and you have gotten so big. How
She's-
are you?
Where's your elves at?
Oh, making toys. Can I have a hug? Yeah, boy, I love your shoes.
Thank you.
Where's my friend Hannah?
There, she's in there.
Can we go see?
You gonna take him in?
Hey, this is you right here.
It is me. Oh, it's a little me, huh? How
Go
you
on.
doing?
We're fine.
Good. So
Go
good to
on
see you.
in.
Oh, look who's here. Look who's here. And,
Look,
a
Hannah.
little smile.
Oh,
Oh, oh, oh. Oh, oh,
he
oh,
brought you a
oh.
toy.
How is my girl? How's my girl? Let me get my gloves on.
Why do you need your gloves on?
It makes me look more Santa-ish. It just seems like it goes with the outfit to me.
What do you think, Hannah?
Hey, Hannah.
Are you excited?
Oh,